घर बैठे अब आप भी बन सकते हैं रिपोर्टर। क्या आपके घर के आसपास राजनीति माहौल है या फिर कोई प्रदर्शन कर रहा है या आप खुद कोई लड़ाई लड़ने के सपने देख रहे हैं? अगर आप एंड्रॉयड या स्मार्टफोन यूज़ करते हैं तो अपने इलाके की खबर हम तक पहुंचाएं 9002135555 पे और बन जाए न्यूज़ 24 इंडिया के रिपोर्टर। आरजेडी लीडर तेजस्वी यादव once again attacked on Nitish Kumar and said the overwhelming crowd at his rallies reflects the mindset of people who are not just angry with the chief minister but hate energy-less, constructive and narrow-minded chief minister. The crowd at that rally shows that people are just angry at Nitish Kumar, but they hate him now. This is the level of their angst. Yadav retired that people are considering Bihar election on issue unemployment have kept caste, creed, class and religion aside. Nearly 32 Naxal, 4 of them collectively carrying rupees 4 lakh reward on their head, surrender in Chhattisgarh, Dantewara. As per the police statement, Superintendent Police Statement Abhishek Palwa said that the cadres, including 10 women, stormed themselves in at Basu Police Station, saying they were impressed by the district police rehabilitation campaign and disappointed with the hollow Maoist ideologies. However, the police did not disclose their identity, citing security reasons. These ultra belongs to the Dhantekara Adivasi Kisan Masu Santan. They all were involved in attacks on police teams, polling parties, and triggering improvised explosive device blast. He said that adding that 4 of them carried reward of rupees 1 lakh each of their head. Reportedly, a BJP worker has been shot by a TMC activist in West Bengal, Howrah district. As per the police statement, he is being treated at the state-run hospital in Kolkata and condition is stable right now. The BJP is claiming that it was a political violence allegedly ransacked the TMC workers' house, while the police and the ruling party in the state had said the incident was a fallout of a land dispute between the two neighbors. Furthermore, it has been said that the incident took place in Chandanapada in Baghan police station area when 752-year-old flower trader Kinjar Manji was returning home on Saturday night. TMC worker Paritosh Manji and some others stopped Kinjar Manji, who is also his neighbor, and shot at the BJP activist from a close range over an old land dispute. Mark yourself safe from BJP. The Trinamool Congress has launched a digital campaign and alleging that wrongdoings of the Saffron Party in the country. That questions have been marked in this website. As per the TMC statement, they have received 2,89,000 people have logged in the website and marked themselves safe from the BJP party. To participate in this campaign, people have to go to the Save Bengal from BJP.com and register themselves and mark themselves safe from the BJP. And the site content messages like, are you against the politics of division among peoples? Are you against hatred? Will you speak against dictatorship? Will you speak against interference into your freedom? However, the response is yet received and it's still going on as per the statement said by the TMC.